Check out this 2024 Audi Q5 S-Line. This is a very cool car. I think this is a new color for Audi for 2024. It's a very nice green, but it has the S-Line package, so it gives you some of the black optics as well. We just did, I believe, XR tint on the front two windows to match the back. Actually next in line to get the XPEL Fusion Plus 4-year ceramic coating as well. It's actually a little bit warmer out here for a change. Last week I think it was like 10, 15 degrees maybe, and we're now finally in the 50s, but it's not gonna last too long. Brand new Toyota Sequoia Limited. This one was in for the window tint for the front two windows to match the back. That was done with the XPEL XR 20%. Then we also did a full front clip paint protection package. So we basically covered everything on the front. So the full hood, the full front bumper, we did the fenders as well as the mirror caps. That is all done with the XPEL paint protection film, the 8mm thick option. As I'm sure you've seen the progress along the way, Subway has officially turned into a Tropical Smoothie Cafe. They're actually opening on Monday, February 1st. They're gonna have smoothies, salads, wraps, sandwiches, all that stuff, and their food is really, really good. So definitely check them out. And if you're here getting, some work done on your car, head over there and get a smoothie or something to eat. Now let's see what we have going on inside. Here we have Aaron's Camaro. I'm sure you've seen it in the last couple of weeks with the What's in the Shop. He just has a couple more pieces to do, but he's gonna be doing carbon fiber PPF on the roof. So it's gonna look pretty cool, so make sure you stay tuned for that video. And then over here we have a Toyota Venza. I believe this is getting a full hood with the XPEL paint protection film, and then we're also gonna be doing this like bumperette piece just above the Toyota badge there. There's a 2010 Kia Forte Coupe. This vehicle's super clean. It's a really, really nice orange. Kind of reminds me a little bit of like the Dodge cinnamon stick color. Car's a manual, really, really good condition. This one just got a full polish and the XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating for the 4-year warranty. So this one is just about ready to head out. And here's also a car that we don't have come in here too often. This is a Mini Cooper S. This one's actually getting a full polish and the ceramic coating as well. So we're actually in the process right now of polishing some of the scratches and swirls out. And then we're gonna be installing the XPEL Fusion 4-year coating on this one as well. One of my favorite trucks here, because I love Ford Raptors. But this is a Raptor R. The guys did a XPEL Ultimate Plus 8mm full wrap on this vehicle with stealth on the fender flares and obviously any of the matte black pieces. So they're just in their final stages doing some touch-ups on it, and then it's gonna be next in line for the XPEL 4-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. All right, and then the Lamborghini Huracan, you guys have seen this in all of the last episodes. It's basically just hanging out here until the auto show, because this is gonna be one of the cars featured in our booth. All right, let's see what we have going on in some of our other shops.
Today, Steve and I are at Camp Curtin Academy in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, doing tinted security film on the entrances to the building. This is designed to keep somebody from being able to easily break into the building and also not be able to see in at the same time. In this particular case, we're using 3M Night Vision 25 8mm security film. Talk to you guys soon.
Hi everyone, welcome to What's in Shop Wednesday over here at the Emergency Shop. We got a lot of stuff going on to share with you today, so we'll make it as quick as possible. Here we have a local fire chief. He has a light bar already and a rear stick. We're just adding a siren and a remote control for all his lights and accessories that he has. 3, yeah, you're seeing triple, 3 Dodge Durangos. These are getting upfitted with all Code 3 equipment and the Gamber Johnson consoles. These are going to be for a local agency that we got coming in. They were starting to change over their fleet. They had Explorers. Now they're going over the Durangos. These are going to get fitted with a push bar on the front. They're going to have wings over the headlights and also pit bumpers to protect the whole front end of the vehicle from any type of damage. Like I said, all Code 3. They're going to have light bars on the roof. That'll be a Code 3 matrix system, and also there will be a surprise with these vehicles. They have the V2V system, so all these vehicles will look exactly the same as they're sitting there with their lights on. Going a little bit further in, the vehicle-to-vehicle system that syncs all these lights to every single car that Code 3 has. As long as these vehicles are programmed the same exact way, whenever they pull up, this sensor right here is called a vehicle-to-vehicle sensor. This actually syncs with the world clock and will sync the controllers of the vehicles all together with the world clock, which in turn will make every light exactly the same on scene. Lots of stuff going on, but we'll have more for you. Back to you guys.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Over in Marks Bay, the Demon project is finally complete. As you can see, this is now tinted, 15% Prime XR window tint, It is protected with our 8mm Ultimate Plus paint protection film, and we coated the entire exterior of the vehicle. In the tint bay, we have Ian doing his thing on this Cadillac CT4V. Really unique color. We see a lot of these come through in black or white. Blue is really, really unique. The owner says that this is one of 300. I didn't do much research into that, but based on how little I've seen these, I would believe him. This is getting our Prime XR Series tint, 20% on all the side windows and the back window. In the wash bay, we have another vehicle from our friends down the road here at Sewickley Car Store. This one is a 2024 BMW X5. This is in for our full front paint protection film. Next up is a 2024 Porsche Macan in Papaya Orange. So really unique color here. It's almost like a burnt orange. This one was in for our full front paint protection film package. Back in the back, we have a 2024 Ford F350. This is getting a bunch of paint protection film. So Austin, tell me about this truck. What are we doing to it?
So this truck is getting a lot of film in miscellaneous spots. It's getting the full front. So on this truck, it would be the hood and then the fenders. And then we're doing the full rocker kit. So this truck is massive. It has a long bed on it. So we're doing the whole bottom section of the truck with our PPF. And then we're doing A-pillars, roof, the back of the tailgate where you put your hands to open and close the tailgate. Doesn't want that getting scuffed up, so we're gonna protect that. Then other miscellaneous things like door edges, gas cap, door cups, stuff like that.
Yeah, so just to give you guys a visual, we try and hide partial panels as much as we possibly can. You can see above that Power Stroke logo, the indentation right there. We follow that body line the whole way from behind the front fender, the whole way to behind the back wheel. So a very, very popular kit that we do on a lot of trucks, especially if you have any kind of aftermarket wheel or tire. That is all for Gibsonia. Let's kick it down to Jeff in Miami.
Over here in the tint bay, we have Alfredo working on this 2024 Fisker Ocean. Customer is in for full tint. Going to be doing 20% all around, 55 on the windshield, full ceramic. Really cool looking car. Love this satin finish on it. We also have this ProMaster Ram 3500 that's in for some tinting. Customer went with 5% expel on the sides there, 55 on the windshield.
It's Michael from Blackout Tinting, St. Louis. It's Wednesday, you know what time it is. It's what's in the shop. Let's see what we're working on. The PPF bay, we have this 24 GMC Denali. We're doing a full front clip on it. Gabe is currently doing the hood. He's letting those corners set so we can get it tucked up under there nice. Then after he's done with that, we will be doing a full ceramic window tint on it. So every window, including the windshield, we're gonna be matching the front two doors with 20%. And then we're gonna be doing 70% on the back. So he still gets the benefits of window tint, but doesn't make it darker. And then we're also doing 70% on the windshield. Another car in the PPF bay is this really cool Gucci Nova drag car. We did a full PPF wrap on it about 4 or 5 months ago. It's back here again so we can remove the wrap so they can actually go ahead, repaint the vehicle, and then we're going to reapply the PPF here in a couple months. That's all we have going on for today. Tune in next week to see what we're doing.